What's the meaning of crackle? Crackle. Crackle.
Crackle. Crackle. Crackle refers to a series of small, sharp, and sudden sounds that are typically produced by something burning or being heated, like firewood. When wood is burned, it produces a crackling sound due to the moisture inside the wood being released as steam. This sound is characterized by its high-pitched, popping noises, which can be quite loud and distinctive. The crackling of a fire is often described as soothing and relaxing, and it is often associated with warmth, comfort, and coziness.